Hello everyone, I am Rahan Mashari and welcome you to the new video tutorial of Flutter series. In this video, we are going to take a look what is flexible and expanded widgets in a Flutter ER. As you know, here a simple coding, a simple design of application is ready. Take a look at example of it by clicking on hot reload and see what is present on a screen. Here you can say we just created an app bar that contains a title with expanded and flexible. So let's understand first what's the use of expanded and flexible widget. Here you can assume it is your iPhone smartphone screen, the second smartphone. That's a third. I don't think there's need of third to explain it more little. So what it does, let's assume you have three containers in your screen. I mean, three things you want to design here. So let's think you have three widgets, widget 1, widget 2, and that's the widget 3. So here you can say after you design this three widget in a screen, still there is some space available in a phone. Now how can we fill this? How can we fill this? If you want, if you let's assume if I want to fill this space, and I want both the three containers can take a even space and fill that full screen. There are two options. Either we can specify the height of this all these containers, or we can do something that automatically make a responsive this container responsive in respect of this screen. Means this will contain equal space like this will expand and create a equal space for a. I designed a little bad here, but hope you understand my concern. Don't go to the design. Let's see here, the screen is up to the here, so it will make more sense. Now it contains all the screens. So that's what expanded a widget or flexible widget does in Flutter. Means it will take once you declare the thing, it will once you declare the widget in expanded or flexible, that takes all the space available in a screen. That's what we are going to do today. Let's delete all this, go back to the code. So let's design three container first. Let's design a body which contain column. Sorry for the misspell. Column contains children, which is actually a list of widgets we can provide here. So what we are going to do, I'm going to pass a container here, three containers I'm going to pass here, which contains the colors blue, sorry, colors dot blue. Now I'm going to pass two more containers, just copy it here and keep pasting twice, and now it's black and red. Now click on hot reload and see what it brings on result on a screen. Hey, what's happened? So get back to the code and see, okay, actually we didn't define any height for container, so let's define a height first. Height will be 50. Any integer that you want to provide according to your screen size, you can provide it here. Let quickly code. Click on hot reload. Let's see the result, what it displayed on the screen. And here you can see there is a three container created with colors of blue, black and red, and still there is a lot of space available here on our screen. So we do not know what the exact size of the screen are, so we cannot provide any fixed size that contain all the screen. And if we know the size of a screen and still that if we provide the integer fixed integer, that not make the application responsive. Different screen have a different size. So what we have to do, let's delete this for me. Let's look lot nicer. So get back to the code, and what we have to do, we have to declare this containers as a expanded format. Click it here. Once the yellow bulb mark visible for you, click on it and click with wrap with widgets. Once you click, widgets comes, you have to change the name of widget. It's expanded, so click on expanded. Do same for all three times. Okay, if not, we'll do it manually. So here what we have to do, what's happened now, let me take a look what's happened here. Okay, we have to provide one more, I think. Yeah, we need to provide one more. Here we just forget to add up braces, that's why it create an error. Click on hot reload and see what's it brings on screen. And here you can see that contain all things. This happened because we need to change red. Actually both sorry, this will become a red. Actually I mark both the extend widget, this both the widget as a black color background, so that's why it's happened. It's looking like one is fully splitted and one is not visible from here. Now you can see each thing has divided a even space. That's what extended and flexible do. Let's see the flexible container 2, that's how it's work. Here is the flexible. And you can see there's some problem. I think they had it seems I do some mistake. Let me. So the things is why what's it happen, why it's not. The things is understand. So let's understand the default behavior of flexible and expanded. Again, go to some design. Assume that is your screen of a smartphone. So when you declare expanded as a widget expanded, it will default behavior expanded is it will match parent, means it will match all the screen. But if you design a flexible, that the default value of flexible is a wrap content, means it remains same until you don't declare it fit or not. It remains the same as a height. So as we provide a height of 50, it will remain 50 until you not provide a attribute of fit or not. So just take a look at this. So for it, once you go like here, once you go under flexible and type fit tightly. You can here you see flex fit, flex fit loose, fit tight. So make it tight, flex fit tight. Copy these lines and paste it in every flexible. Click on hot reload and see what it brings a result here. And now you can see you can assume the same result as you achieving before with the help of expanded keyword. So that's all about the flexible and expanded. The only difference between those two is extended by nature, where default nature is a parent, match parent, and the flexible have a default nature is a wrap content. That's only difference between both two. Hope you understand and like my video. If my videos, if my the way I taught you is helpful for you, please mark the video as your favorite, like it, subscribe my channel, share it with a friend. Thank you for your time.